Tired of tedious alignment work when processing double-end panels? This automatic double-end sawing and milling machine delivers lightning-fast efficiency in one pass. Say goodbye to the tedious waiting of single-end processing. Simultaneous double-end sawing and milling gives you a head start in panel processing. Still worried about uneven panel dimensions and rough cuts? This amazing machine delivers both precision and efficiency. Simultaneous double-end operation. Sawing and milling completed in one step. Eliminates the need for rework, doubling processing efficiency. Automatic feeding prevents deviation. Handling solid wood, MDF, and plywood with adjustable thickness. Fully enclosed dust-proof design ensures smooth, burr-free cuts, a cleaner workshop environment, and superior finished product quality. Single-end processing. Time-consuming and labor-intensive, with large dimensional deviations at both ends. Double-end milling machine. One-time forming, precise dimensions with no errors. Previously, processing 100 boards with a single end took 2 hours. Now, with simultaneous operation at both ends, it's done in 40 minutes, doubling efficiency. A cost reduction and efficiency enhancing tool for furniture factories and board processing plants. With it, even with numerous orders, you'll be fine. Precise, efficient, and labor-saving, this automatic double-end milling machine is your production helper. Look at this cut. Smooth, flat, and burr-free, making splicing and assembly effortless, instantly upgrading the product's quality. Simultaneous double-end milling, worry-free and labor-saving. Message us now to get a customized quote and machine specifications.